terms of the Treaty of Versailles, focusing on the loss of land. When the Big Three had finished their discussions, they went into this room, which is the Hall of Mirrors, in the iconic Palace of Versailles, just outside Paris. Here, the German delegation were forced to sign the treaty on the 28th of June, 1919, exactly 5 years to the day after the assassination of Franz Ferdinand. The treaty only dealt with Germany, it didn't deal with Austria-Hungary or anybody else. This map shows the land issues and how it was carved up, and I want to take you through each of these in turn, focusing on who they went to and what impact they had on Germany. If we start on the Western Front, or the western end of Germany, the first thing I want to focus on is Alsace-Lorraine down here in yellow. As that had gone back and forward between France and Germany over the years, France obviously was restored this in the treaty. The tiny two provinces of Eupen and Malmedy were given to Belgium after a plebiscite, which means a vote. They were transferred away from Germany and added on to the end of Belgium. North Schleswig again had a plebiscite of vote, and they decided they would rather go and be part of Denmark, so in the very north, that lost from Germany. And this greyed-in area here, the Saar coalfields, was very important. It was Germany's industrial heartland. France knew it wasn't going to get a lot of the money back that it had forced to use during the war from Germany. So instead, it wanted to take away its coalfields for 15 years so it could dig the coal out of the ground and sell it and make some money. 15 years later, there was to be another plebiscite, a vote, to see where the people of the Saar wanted to be. But at the time of the treaty, France was given this area for 15 years. On the other side, on the Eastern Front, similar things. Firstly, Poland, that had existed before it was destroyed, was now remade as an independent state. Danzig, which was a port on the north coast of Germany, was classed as a free city under the control of the League of Nations. One of the reasons was Poland needed access to the sea, so the UN needed to control that port for their benefit. Upper Silesia, which was here, was given some to Germany and some to Poland. Memel, up in the top here, was another seaport. That was ruled by the League and eventually taken over by Lithuania. All the gains that Russia had given to Germany when they pulled out of the war in 1918 were returned. Austria and Germany were now forbidden in the future to join together, and all of their overseas colonies round the world were forfeit. They had to be given to the League of Nations to control.